Hi everyone! Check out the Slow Down Women's Lightweight Down Puffer Coat, designed for warmth and style. This mid-length jacket features 700 fill power 90% down for ultra-lightweight insulation to keep you cozy in cold weather. It has an attached hood, elastic cuffs, and a two-way zipper for added coverage and wind protection. The flattering quilted chevron design enhances your figure while providing a stylish look. Keep in mind, the sizing runs smaller than US sizes, so consider sizing up for layering. Plus, it comes with a free drawstring pouch and shopping bag for easy packing and travel. Stay warm and fashionable all winter long with this versatile coat. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.